In this video, I'm going to show you how to access live Zoho CRM data through the SSIS Data Flow Components. To get started, install the SSIS components for Zoho CRM through the SSIS installer. Choose the Zoho CRM components during installation and follow the prompts to complete the process. Open Visual Studio and select Create a new project in the pop-up window. Navigate to the Data Flow tab within the project. Add a new SSIS task via New Connection. Select the SSIS components for Zoho CRM and enter the required details. You might need to sign into your account for this. Confirm the creation of the task. In the Favorite section, you'll find corresponding elements for Zoho CRM, destination, lookup, and source. Drag and drop the source element into the active area of the Data Flow tab, then double-click to activate it. Select the data you wish to retrieve. Select Other Destination where you want to send the details from the Zoho CRM source. For this purpose, we opt for the Flat File option. Drag and drop it into the active area of the Data Flow tab. Connect the arrow from the Zoho CRM source to the Flat File destination and double-click to activate it. Configure the desired options and save your settings. Launch the scenario and check out the file in the specified location. Devart SSIS Data Flow Components for Zoho CRM allow you to integrate Zoho CRM contacts, accounts, opportunities, leads, calls, and other objects with other cloud applications and databases via SSIS. Try a 30-day free trial now.